The Book of Leviticus. Leviticus is the third book of the Bible and stands at the heart of the Torah, the law of Moses. While Exodus tells how God rescued Israel and came to dwell among them, Leviticus explains how a holy God can live among a sinful people. The book takes place at Mount Sinai, shortly after Israel's escape from Egypt. God speaks directly to Moses, giving laws that govern worship, morality, purity, and daily life. Leviticus is about holiness, how God's people are called to be set apart. 1. The sacrificial system, chapters 1 to 7. God establishes offerings so the people can approach Him. Burnt offering, complete surrender to God. Grain offering, thanksgiving and devotion. Peace offering, fellowship with God. Sin offering, atonement for unintentional sin. Guilt offering, restitution and forgiveness. These sacrifices teach that sin requires atonement and that forgiveness comes through obedience and faith. The priesthood, chapters 8 to 10. Aaron and his sons are ordained as priests to serve in the tabernacle. They are set apart to act as mediators between God and the people. A sobering moment occurs when Nadab and Abihu, Aaron's sons, offer unauthorized fire before the Lord and are struck down. This teaches that God must be approached with reverence and obedience. 3. Laws of clean and unclean, chapters 11 to 15. God gives laws concerning clean and unclean animals, childbirth, skin diseases, bodily discharges. These laws remind Israel that holiness touches every part of life, physical, spiritual, and communal. 4. The Day of Atonement, chapter 16. Once a year, the high priest enters the most holy place to make atonement for the entire nation. 2 goats are used. One is sacrificed, the other, the scapegoat, symbolically carries the sins of the people into the wilderness. This powerful ritual shows God's mercy and foreshadows ultimate redemption. 5. Laws of Holiness, chapters 7-22. God calls His people to live differently from surrounding nations. These laws cover moral behavior, sexual purity, justice and compassion, respect for God's name. The central command is spoken clearly: be holy, for I, the Lord your God, am holy. Leviticus 19:2. 6. Feasts and Sacred Times, chapter 23. God establishes holy festivals, including Passover, Feast of Unleavened Bread, Feast of Weeks, Pentecost, Day of Atonement, Feast of Tabernacles. These feasts remind Israel of God's faithfulness and salvation. 7. Blessings and Curses, chapter 26. God sets before Israel a choice. Obedience brings blessing, peace, and prosperity. Disobedience brings discipline and exile. Yet even in warning, God promises restoration if the people repent. 8. Dedication and Redemption, chapter 27. The book closes with laws concerning vows, dedications, and offerings, reminding Israel